Are you ready?
Ready.
There's a very special package that came in the mail for Addie today. We're going to open it and see what's in it.
Let's see.
Do you want to reach in there and get it out?
Let's see. Let's see. Let's pony it.
What is it?
What's that?
What is it?
I think it's butterfly.
No, who is that?
Who is that? Who is it?
Is that Rainbow Dash?
I think it's Rainbow Dash. We found him.
We found him.
It was under the store. It was here.
Right. Now our collection is complete.
Let's open her.
Okay.
Let's get her.
Let me see.
Let's see. It's Rainbow Dash. I'm so excited. It's cute. We found Rainbow Dash.
We found Rainbow Dash. Kind of hard to do this one.
It's Rainbow Dash. We found her.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, it is. I'm so excited we found her.
Oh, good.
Hey, I think it has wings.
Uh-huh. Are you happy? Okay, good.